The Mediterranean diet is a way of eating inspired by the traditional dietary patterns of countries bordering the Mediterranean Sea. It is rich in vegetables, fruits, whole grains, nuts, seeds, and olive oil. The focus is on consuming minimally processed foods and opting for fresh, seasonal, and locally sourced produce whenever possible. The Mediterranean diet has gained popularity worldwide, and for good reason. It is not only associated with a host of health benefits but is also delicious and easy to follow. Unlike restrictive diets, it encourages a balanced approach to eating, allowing for a wide variety of foods in moderation. It also strongly emphasizes enjoying meals with family and friends, making it a sustainable and enjoyable way of life. Origin of the Mediterranean diet. The Mediterranean diet is deeply rooted in the culinary traditions of the Mediterranean region, which includes countries such as Italy, Greece, Spain, and France. The diet is influenced by the agricultural products that are abundant in this region, including olives, grapes, wheat, and an assortment of fruits and vegetables. Over time, the Mediterranean diet has evolved and adapted to incorporate foods and cooking methods from other cultures. However, the core principles of the diet, emphasizing whole, plant-based foods, healthy fats, and lean proteins, have remained consistent. Critical components of the Mediterranean diet. Fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables are a cornerstone of the Mediterranean diet. They provide essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber and are typically consumed in large quantities throughout the day. Whole grains. Whole grains, such as brown rice, quinoa, and whole wheat bread, are another key component of the diet. They are a good source of energy, fiber, and various nutrients. Lean proteins. Lean proteins, such as fish, poultry, legumes, and eggs, are preferred over red meat in the Mediterranean diet. These sources of protein are lower in saturated fat and provide essential amino acids for muscle growth and repair. Healthy fats. Healthy fats, such as olive oil, nuts, and seeds, are essential to the diet. They provide energy, support brain function, and help with the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins. Health benefits. Cardiovascular health. The Mediterranean diet is associated with reduced heart disease and stroke risk. This is likely due to the diet's emphasis on heart-healthy foods, such as olive oil, nuts, and fatty fish, rich in monounsaturated fats and omega-3 fatty acids. Weight management. The diet is also effective for weight management, as it is naturally low in processed foods, sugary beverages, and unhealthy fats. Focusing on whole, nutrient-dense foods helps promote feelings of fullness and prevent overeating. Diabetes control. The Mediterranean diet may help to improve blood sugar control and reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes. This is likely due to the diet's emphasis on low glycemic foods, healthy fats, and lean proteins. Cancer prevention. Consuming a Mediterranean diet may also be associated with a reduced risk of certain types of cancer, including breast and colorectal cancer. This is likely due to the diet's high antioxidant content and anti-inflammatory properties. Mental health. The diet may also have a positive impact on mental health. Studies have shown that following a Mediterranean diet is associated with a reduced risk of depression and anxiety. Longevity. Finally, the Mediterranean diet is associated with increased longevity. This is likely due to the diet's ability to reduce the risk of chronic diseases, promote healthy weight management, and support overall mental and physical well-being. Benefits of the Mediterranean diet compared to other diets. Keto. The ketogenic diet, or keto diet, is a low-carbohydrate, high-fat diet that has gained popularity for its ability to promote weight loss and improve blood sugar control. However, the keto diet is often low in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, which are all important components of a balanced diet. On the other hand, the Mediterranean diet encourages a balanced approach to eating, focusing on nutrient-dense, whole foods. Paleo. The Paleolithic diet, or paleo diet, is a dietary pattern that focuses on consuming whole, unprocessed foods that were available to our ancestors during the Paleolithic era. While there are many similarities between the Paleo and Mediterranean diets, such as an emphasis on fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds, and lean proteins, the Paleo diet restricts certain food groups, like grains and dairy, which are included in the Mediterranean diet. Vegan. A vegan diet excludes all animal products, including meat, dairy, and eggs. While a vegan diet can be healthful, it may be low in certain nutrients such as vitamin B12, iron, zinc, and omega-3 fatty acids. On the other hand, the Mediterranean diet includes small amounts of animal products, such as fish, poultry, and dairy, which can help ensure adequate nutrient intake. Common mistakes to avoid. Too much dairy. While dairy products, such as cheese and yogurt, are included in the Mediterranean diet, it is important to consume them in moderation. Opt for low-fat or fat-free versions whenever possible, and be mindful of portion sizes. Not enough variety. The Mediterranean diet is rich in a wide variety of foods, so it is important to include a diverse range of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats in your diet. Skipping meals. Eating regular meals and snacks throughout the day is vital to maintain energy levels and prevent overeating. Focus on balanced meals that include a combination of carbohydrates, protein, and healthy fats. The Mediterranean diet is a balanced, sustainable way of eating that promotes heart health, weight management, blood sugar control, cancer prevention, mental well-being, and longevity. It emphasizes whole, nutrient-dense foods, healthy fats, lean proteins, and various fruits and vegetables.